usually start out with the base of mustard. It's a little bit, this just lets the pepper and the seasoning stick to it a little bit better. You can use Worcestershire sauce as well. You really don't taste the mustard after it's cooked. Even for those people who do not like mustard, it is just a base for the seasoning. So usually during the cooking process, all this mustard will kind of bake and blend in. And then I use coarse ground black pepper on almost everything that I barbecue. This adds a nice texture, nice flavor. A good coating of that. And then finally, you can put on whatever rub you want. I prefer, this is John Henry's Bubba's Rub. And if you've seen any of my other videos, I put it on my chicken, put it on my brisket, put it on my pulled pork. It is the boss. I have made my own rub in the past. And this is, if I was to make a rub, this is how I would want it to taste. Alright, so nice liberal coating. So I'm going to go out and get the coals going right now, and we'll show you at the grill. Alright, so we're at the grill. Just put some wood chunks down in there, and I had to do that because I'm going to put this rib rack on top of there, so I won't be able to put the wood chunks in after I put that on. So got my ribs ready to go. I got 6 of them, and I got 5 slots, so we'll see if we can get them all on there. I think we can. So I'll show you what they look like when they're on. Alright, 3 racks of ribs, easy peasy. So these are going to sit on here for probably 2.5 hours. I gotta get that closed. It's starting to burn the wood. And my whole process here, I'm thinking, is 2.5 hours on here, and then probably an hour and a half in the oven, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so these ribs have been on here for about 2.5 hours. Coals are mostly gone. I had it kind of going full open, so it's probably about 325, 300. And now I am wrapping them. You want to see this one? It is fully smoky and nice and kind of charred. So I got 3 wrapped there. I got a couple more to take off, and then I'm going to go put them in the oven at 250 for about another hour, just to let them soften up and let all that stuff inside kind of melt and turn into butter. Alright, we got the ribs out here. and ready to eat. I like to not put sauce on them until the very end, so I got some sauce here. Let the people decide what sauce they want to put on them, but they are nice and kind of charred on the outside, but still got a little bit of firmness, but falling off the bone, definitely. So let me try my do here. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. So thank you guys for watching. Enjoy me some ribs. Let me know if you got any questions. We'll see you later.